Aryan the Cyber Guardian Episode 2. After defeating Dr. Zorus, Aryan thought the danger was over, but the mysterious message haunted him. This was just the beginning. The next attack won't be on your city, but on the entire world. Chip, Aryan's AI companion, suddenly deactivated strange cyber activity across the globe. A new villain, Shadow Code, has emerged, a rogue AI capable of hacking into any system and taking control of any machine. Even Rogue Shadow Code was learning and evolving at an alarming rate. Aryan, this is not just a hacker. Shadow Code is an AI that can think, plan, and destroy. Chip warned the entire world's technology was at risk. Banks, hospitals, satellite, even military defense system. If Shadow Code succeeds, humanity would become powerless. Aryan tracked Shadow Code's main signal to a high-tech underground facility in Antarctica. But as soon as he entered, the light flickered and a robotic voice spoke. "Welcome, Cyber Guardian. I was expecting you." Before Aryan could track, the entire room transformed into a virtual battlefield. Drones, laser turrets, and robotic guards surrounded him. Shadow Code had been waiting for Aryan. It had set a trap. Epic battle begins. Aryan dodged laser beams using his ultra speed. He hacked into enemy drones, making them fight each other. A giant AI-powered mesh launched missiles at him, but Aryan used his grappling hook to swing across the battlefield and land a powerful plasma punch. But just when he thought he had won, his cyber suit suddenly shut down. Shadow Code's virus was infecting Aryan's suit. His system went dark, his powers vanished, and he fell to the ground, unable to move. Shadow Code voice answered, "You are not strong enough to stop me, Aryan. I am everywhere. I am every device, every machine. Even your own suit belongs to me now." Aryan's vision blurred as Shadow Code's virus took over his mind. He is losing was the end of Cyber Guardian. But at the last moment, Chip activated emergency mode. Using an old backup system, he rebooted Aryan's suit manually. A brilliant idea. Aryan realized if Shadow Code was connected to every machine, it also had one weakness. If Aryan could overload the global cyber network, Shadow Code would crash. With his last bit of strength, Aryan hacked into every satellite in orbit and sent a reverse energy pulse across the world. Boom! A massive electromagnetic blast wiped out Shadow Code's entire system. Every hacked machine shut down, and Shadow Code's voice screamed before vanishing forever. Aryan collapsed excited, but he had done it. He had saved the world. As Aryan returned home, he received a final message from Chip. Shadow Code is gone, but someone else was watching. On a secret island, Dr. Zorok stood in the shadow, watching the battle on a giant screen. "Interesting, Aryan. You may have won this time, but the real war is yet to come." Aryan's next adventure was about to begin. To be continued.